Hello, I'm Barry Cunningham from the Chicken House, and I'm here to talk about Witchborn by Nicholas Bowling. It starts with our heroine Alyce hiding underneath the floor of their poor house in a poor village as her mother is literally put to the torch as a witch. She hears the villagers, she hears the witch finder coming, and she also takes with her a thing that she's valued all her life. It's a posset, which is a little woven figure that she keeps close to her, and might have some of the magic of the witches, that she's being persecuted and followed. Anyway, she's off, she's running away, she's following her mother's instructions to flee to London with a couple of disguised letters and secret messages in code. She's a little unclear what for, and she ends up in Bedlam, which is it's a terrifying asylum for the insane. There she loses the letter, she loses everything about her mum. Luckily, a boy that she meets who works as an actor in Shakespeare's early theatre in London rescues her, befriends her, and together they try and avoid the witch finders and take the message to the very surprising recipient.